Whenever you're in a list, and this was one of the questions that one of the users had, they just didn't understand filtering and stuff. They were trying to do some different stuff. One of the things that we've got in the system in contacts is the ability to filter based off of the values in each of the fields. At the top of the list, as you move your mouse over each one of these fields, there's two icons that pop up. There's an order field, and it's the little arrows up and down. And what this does is this basically saying, do I want to order it ascending or descending, A to Z or Z to A? So whenever you're doing something like last name, if I click on last name, it's ascending. It's got an up arrow, so it's going to go from A to Z. If I click on it a second time, it'll go down. So now it's Z down to A. And that's important. Now, one of the features in this is that you can sort by the different columns and use multiple columns. The thing that you do have to do, however, is use your control key, or on a Mac, it's the command key, is you come over here to the other one. So maybe I want to sort the first list here by last name ascending. And on this one, I'm going to hold my control key down and I'm going to click on the arrows. Now it's basically saying column one, this is the first column that we're ordering by, it's ascending. And then this is the second column that's ascending. If I click on it again, it'll make that one descending while this one's ascending. So hopefully that makes sense. It's just a matter of showing which fields it's ordered by first and second, and then whether it's ascending or descending.